morning guys. Mapunta kami sa Baguio ng 3:30 in the morning. Si Ma'am Karen po, ayan. Siyempre, si Ma'am tulog sa laos sa back. Si Sir, kasi Inday na dun sa may likod. Guys, ito po yung meeting place namin. Sunod kami kay Ma'am Karen. Guys, nandito rin po sila Ma'am Tochi. Convoy po kami going to Baguio. Umalis kami sa bahay. Magpo-4 na. See you in Baguio, guys.
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Oh my gosh, guys, we left the house. And pagising, guys, nasa Baguio pala kami. Welcome back to my vlog. Guys, nasa Baguio ako now. When I woke up in Baguio na. So guys, eto, nakita kami sa gasoline station ni Dear. And
Hello! Mga nag-welcome sa arena po ninyo sa Baguio.
Sa Baguio, siyempre si Debudida here, and si Ma'am Joanne, si Kuya Jerry there, and Kuya TJ, the editor. O, diba? Bukas guys, si Ma'am Karel, susunod po siya sa team Ma'am Small. Siyempre, si Ma'am Small doon sa unahan na. Pupunta kami sa Strawberry Farm.
They letting us try the Sagada Orange. Welcome. Okay. Oh my God! Ang tamis. Yeah, pang orange. Pang ano yung pang juice? It's good. Wow, it's good. Can you try? Try mo, Inday. Thank you, ha? Very good. Later we'll buy. Hi! So, okay, guys. We're now here in La Trinidad. And you know, it's my first time to be here. And of course, strawberry picking kami. Excited ako. Pero dapat, kasama namin si Dear Karen. Si Karen Davila. But si Tootsie, guys, naiwan. Kasi na wrong turn. Napunta sa Cannon Road. Hindi daw nag-move. So guys, ako na lang nandito na magsa-strawberry picking. So, hi! Yeah. Yeah, sure. Si Phil na Phil. Ang Baguio Phil na Phil. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Ang dami daw pala ditong things. Phil, nakasabit ang corn. Kumuha ka na. Ayan, yung corn. Babe, ang lagi mong problema, belt. Bumili ka na ng belt dito, please. Every day, naghahanap ng belt. Wala siyang belt. Ayan, no? Guys, ayan, belt. Nako, Phil, narinig mo, parang dalaga. Matakot ka na. Parang dalaga. Ay, binata! Oh my God, ang ganda. Yan ang gusto ko, strawberry. Yan ang gusto ko. Pwede bang i-take home ko yan?
Kagatin mo.
Kakagatin ko? Paano? So guys, okay, I'm wearing far. Kasi guys, feel na feel ka. Negative, akala ko negative yung pala. Positive 15, okay? For today. Kasi kanina daw, a 10, So, feel ko, akala ko nasa Capri ako. Hi, hello. Okay, let's go. Hi. So, my gosh, merong palengke here. Look, ang daming ube. Okay, so many strawberries, ube, and fruits. Oh my gosh! My gosh! Nakakatch niya attention ko. Oh my gosh! What's this, guys? Ashtray?
Hello! I told you ni Mom.
Hi! Wow! Ayan na yung mga strawberry. Oh my God, look, oh. Dito, pinulot lang ni Joanne. Can I? No, malinis. No, okay. Oh my God. It's like Korea. It's like Korean strawberry. Sobrang good. Oh my God, I love it. Babe, it's so good. Okay. Hindi natin nabigyan ng moment yung ashtray. Ang sarap. Babe, may gusto akong pabili sa'yo later, ha? Okay. Yung ashtray. Okay, let's go. Ano na-interview mo? Si Jerry. Ay, ayan mo na si Jerry. Ayan na. Kasama si Francis. Si Francis ang bodyguard. Ang sarap. Parang Korean.
Dito po. Talaga? Yes, masarap po.
Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, I can see some. There's Hollywood here, ha?
Bollywood po.
Oh, this is Bollywood. I thought it's Hollywood. Oh my gosh, I miss Hollywood, ha? But that's nice. Pwede ba ako dang umakyat at magpa-photo? No. Baka it will take us how many days to go there?
2 days po. Kaya mo mag-hiking.
Gusto ko mag-hiking.
Araw.
Pero hiking na nakaano, meron bang bicycle? Mas mahirap pa. Oh my God, ang daming lutuan here. I'm so hungry. I like to eat. We were supposed to eat at my friend's restaurant, Cafe by the Ruins. But, of course, we need to come here early daw kasi later, sobra daw traffic here, ah. Oh, there's kainan here. So guys, feel ko. I thought parang I'm going to Capri. So guys, nandito pala ako sa Benguet, La Trinidad. And it's my first time, ah. And si Dare, nasa Cannon Road, si Tootsie Roll. So guys, eto, I went ahead na. Kawawa, we'll meet them at the hotel later. O bakit? Ang layo ng lakad. Malayo pa ba, Cha? Guys, parang tapos na kami. Pauwi na. Oh, we just went to the ang daming tourist here. Grabe. So we're going na talaga to the farm. Oo, ay lakaran. Hi, hello. Hello. Guys, akala ko nasa farm na kami. We will go back all the way walking. Kasi daw yung farmer nandun. So, guys, eto na yung exercise ko. Don't bash me, ha? Okay? Oh my gosh! Ang daming strawberry! Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Pero na-tired na kami sa walk. Look, oh! Ang ganda! Look, oh, guys. Babe, oh, look! Pwede ba tayo mag-plantation ng ganyan sa roof deck? Dapat sinama si Alden here. Para gagawin niya yan. Tomorrow, meron na siyang plantation. Oh my God. Okay. My gosh, ang daming jelly. May guava jelly. That's what I want. My gosh, nasa strawberry farm pero ang hinahanap guava jelly. May ganyan ba? Jam. So, okay guys, we're now here in the parang market. And look guys, ang fresh ng mga broccoli. And I thought this is lanzones, but it's potato. Oh my gosh, ito. What's this? Oh. Ang fresh. Dito to manang na harvest. Yes! So, okay. Guys, ang dami. Si Philip gusto niya take home ng carrots and broccoli. So, ang fresh. Guys, ayan nandiyan kami right in front of that farm. Lettuce farm, strawberry, my God. As far as the eyes can see. Ay, hello guys. Si Manong nagtitinda ng peanuts. Hello guys. Hi!
Shout out to Sebi.
Shout out! Okay. Anong pangalan mo, Manong?
Baggy Boy Crab Vlog. Yung
Banyo Boy?
crab vlog.
Ay, meron kang vlog? Oh my gosh, anong vlog mo?
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. Follow siya sa YouTube channel. Ay, bakit ang pula-pula ng peanuts? Akala ko pepper.
Try mo, ma'am. May idol. Oh.
Okay, bakit red?
Organic yan.
Ay, organic.
Tsaka yung kasoy. Ito si
Oh
ma'am.
my God. Ay, Manong, how much? Sobrang sarap. How much?
43 scoop.
O, teka, let's buy. Okay, let's buy. Joanne, you have...
Pambiyahe niyo po.
Manong, ang sarap. How much? 40 pesos.
100 only.
100 for this?
Tatlong scoop yan, ma'am.
Ay, ang mura. Okay. Mahal.
Cashew, ma'am.
Cashew, teka, wait. I'll try.
Right. Ayun, si ma'am, oh. Hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
What's your vlog, Manong?
Baggy Boy Crab Vlog.
Kala ko banyo, boy. Sabi niya banyo. Okay.
Baguio.
Manong, ang sarap ng peanuts. Saan
Opo.
to? Saan to galing?
Galing ng Bontoc sa may mountain.
Bakit ang red? Kala ko may food coloring eh.
Wala pong food color yan. Original yan.
Oh, eto Manong, keep the change kasi 100 naman talaga yung price.
Thank you,
Salamat. Thank you.
God bless.
Nasaan na? Inday, give it to me. Si Inday gusto na kainin. Sarap, guys. O, teka, why you did not buy? O, kayo. Sana si Phil.
Hindi pa.
Phil, it's so good. It's not, there's no, food coloring. So, okay, guys, we're going back to the one that's elevated. Yung maganda, yung cute. So, kasi yun yung gusto ko eh. Hindi yung sa ground. So, there, let's go. And mas bigger yung, yung fruits. Okay, so let's go back. So, okay, now we're here at Sweet Charlie Road and of course, start of my strawberry picking. So, let's go! Oh my gosh, look at that. Akin na yung phone ko. Kuhanan ko lang to. Kasi tinatanong ni mother-in-law, where are you? Why are you in Baguio? So, kasi we're here, ma. I just wanted to show them that we're here. So, guys, we're here, Strawberry Farm, and look, guys, as far as the eyes can see. Okay, look, ayan, Strawberry Farm.
You pay per kilo eh.
Oh, you pay per so magpipick ako ng nice. And then we will buy
Yeah.
the lot or the strawberry. I want the lot.
Okay, the land.
Oh my, ang laki ng basket. Hi, this is the nicest na. Oh my God, ang laki ha. That's big ha. Okay, oh my gosh, ang ganda guys. So, wow. So, okay, we're now here in La Trinidad and we're doing the strawberry picking today. Yeah! Oh, Inday, okay ka lang?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, good. Inday, show mo nga yung hat mo. Where are you right now? You're in? Oh my gosh, ang taray ng Pasarovsky ng LA! LA, okay.
Gani, binagmamalaki.
How much? How much? Ay, $5. $5. May tax. With tax, ha? Okay, with tax. Pinagmamalaki yung tax. So, okay, mag-pick up na.
Start there, ma'am, to pick the red strawberry.
Wow! So, red. So, madaming red doon. Di ba pwede doon?
Dito lang po tayo, ma'am.
Ay! Doon ang daming
Iba po
red.
yung may-ari.
Ay, iba. Teka, I like to take a photo. Oh my gosh, sayang. Di ba pwedeng dito? Okay, guys. Okay, start na tayo. Strawberry picking. Okay, my gosh. Okay, pasalubong ko to sa mga boys and I will tell them, si Mami ang nag-harvest. So, okay, we'll choose the red ones and yung mga bigger ones. Inday, ito naman, busy sa LA niya. Okay, come on. Kailangan, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, look. Can I eat na? Baka may pesticide. Wag. Ah, my friend said, mayroon daw ito. Totoo ba yun? May pea. Kasi daw, yun daw ang that's the fertilizer, yung pea. Totoo ba? So I cannot just eat it right away. Okay, here. Yeah. So, okay. Oh my gosh. Kasi masyadong nakakaabala yung fur. Okay, so, yung dun sa other side, it's smaller but it's sweet daw. Nice, look. Ang tambil. Kuhanan mo ako. Lot, bilis, tamil. Teka, lot, ay, pwede. Sandali, gusto ko ang view, yung strawberry hindi.
Dito ka na ate.
Okay. So, Joy, okay, paano nag-aano yung strawberry, nagsistart? Look,
First of all, ma'am, naubos na kasi yung runners.
What's runners?
Yung parang may aanak ngay, ma'am, na parang ganito rin siya stem pero may ugat. Pinapat namin yun ng maliit na pat, tsaka namin pag malaki na yung ugat, itra-transfer namin dito.
So, galing to sa pot.
Yes, upon planting, ma'am, 2 to 3 months po bago siya magbunga.
So, is it all year round?
We can start planting August, September,
Ano yung
October.
pinakamaraming harvest?
December. Month of December. Yes, ma'am.
December. Naku, dapat nandito kami nung December. Kasi
Yes.
yun yung pinakamarami.
Yun yung the big one kasi yun yung unang bunga pa lang ng strawberry natin, ma'am. Yun yung medyo
so
jumbo.
malaki.
Yes.
Wow. So, ang dami nyo ditong tourist nung December.
Yes, ma'am. Especially the holidays.
Every time nare-replenish nyo, hindi to nakakalbo, hindi to nawawalan ng
Hindi po, ma'am. Basta alaga lang po.
So, meron kayong ibang plantation?
No, dito
the
lang
pots.
po, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Meron po. Kung this May, we can put a mother, magpaparunners po kami para pagtanim ulit namin ng September.
So, 3 months.
Yes.
3 months wala kang harvest.
Yes, ma'am. Napam-planting. Pero dire-diretso po yan.
Dire-diretso. At saka
Opo.
ano to, no? Meron kang
Double other crops, ma'am, romaine lettuce po.
lettuce.
Para hindi po madamo. Para at
Imagine,
least,
look guys, sobrang sulit yung elevated.
Yes,
Meron
and then
siyang-
nasa ibabaw
Oo.
niya,
may
romaine
romaine lettuce.
lettuce.
And then, on the second layer, meron siyang strawberry.
Yes,
Ang ganda,
ma'am.
ang galing.
This is the strawberry, ma'am.
Magiging strawberry
Yes,
to.
ma'am.
Oh my
Ito
gosh,
yung ano niya,
guys, oh.
maging ganyan siya.
Okay.
That's the strawberries, the white flower. This is our strawberries. Until, kung depende nga yung size
So,
niya
this
kasi, ma'am.
one magiging ganon?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
Until there, until maghinog
Maging
siya.
red?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much per kilo to?
780 po, ma'am.
780.
Ang isang kilo po na.
So, okay, punta tayo sa other side kasi mas marami. So, yung mga owner nito, ano lang, who owns it?
My sister po, hindi po.
Hindi, it's
we are
not
the
owned
one
by-
who manage but we rented from Benguet State University.
Pero
yung land po.
kanya-kanyang owner.
Yes, ma'am, yung nagmamanage.
Oh, akala ko Benguet University lang ang nag-o-own ng lahat.
Yung
Yung
land,
lot.
pero yung inuupahan namin to
Marami
500
kayo?
square. Yes, we have 55 farmers in our organization.
How many?
55
So,
farmers.
kanya-kanya kayo.
Yes, ma'am, may 500
Oh,
square
wow.
meter, may 1,000 square meter.
So, nag-enjoy, no? Malamig pa.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
summer, malamig dito.
Hindi, mainit din, ma'am. Pag yung dapit hapon, 3 p.m.,
So-
medyo mahangin na po siya, medyo malamig na.
Summer yan. So, December, super cold.
February,
Ha?
here
so
at
next
Trinidad.
month. Like,
February is
like
the
what's the
coldest.
weather? Temp?
Yes.
What's the temp?
Depende, ma'am, kasi hindi naman
Nag-negative na
yung
ba
weather.
kayo dito?
No. Sa Atok, Benguet. Sa Northern Blossom, yes.
It's how long? Gano'ng kalayo?
Upon Baguio, Trinidad to here, 1 hour to 30 minutes.
Ah,
Northern
layo.
Blossom.
Yun yung marang.
May strawberry white.
Hindi po. Magiging, iba
Hindi
po
pa
yung
yan
right.
right.
Yes.
Hilaw pa yan.
Hindi, may syrup kasi.
May
Kaya tanggalin
syrup.
ka. Para hindi niya hawiin yung iba. Sir.
Yes.
We need to remove
Ay,
it. Yes.
nakakahawa.
Para hindi niya hawiin lahat yung mga kasama. Kasi yung
Kasi
paghapon
my friend told me, don't eat right away kasi daw may tea. Totoo, yun yung wiwi. Kasi daw, ano daw yon? Fertilizer.
Yes.
Yun nga, nag-spray pa.
Yes, if we put kaya yung maiwan lang is yung half ripe, at least upon after 3
Half-ripe.
days, mahihinog na po siya.
Ha,
Pag
3 days lang?
Yes,
3
ma'am.
days.
Yung mga ganito, 3 days. Yung mga ganito, 2 days po.
Within 3
Oh,
days.
3 days.
Magiging red.
Ay,
Yes, sir.
nire-remove niya yung mga may sira kasi
Opo, yes, ma'am.
nakakahawa.
Opo.
O, teka, kukunin ko na to. So, how much per basket?
780, ma'am. Yung isang
7
kilo po.
1 kilo? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
1 kilo tong basket.
Yes, ma'am. Sakto po na isang kilo.
Sakto na 1 kilo. So, okay, pili pa tayo. Oy, kayo, mag-pick, Joanne! Mag-pick kayo, Lan, mag-pick kayo. Tulungan mo ako para marami akong harvest. Oh, Inday, where? Inday, pwede? Para ano tayo, fast forward, kailangan. Look, hi! Okay. O, saan pa? Dapat we choose. Guys, it's so exciting!
Sinali mo daw dito.
Huwag mo ko ibisto. No. Oh my God, guys! My God, I'm so excited! Imagine, nag-harvest ako ng sarili kong strawberry at iti-take home ko. Pwede ba tayong gumawa ng ganito sa roof deck? Teka, Joy! Mabubuhay!
Hindi.
Ay, teka, si Joy. Wait, tanong mo nga kung pwede sa Manila to. Kasi sa roof deck, ha? Di mo
Malamig ko kasi ang gusto ko.
So, malamig daw guys ang gusto ng strawberry. So, hindi pwede sa Manila sa roof deck. Kasi, malalanta lang sila. So guys, cause nawala, naghiwalay kami nila Karen. Sa Cannon Road, nandun si Tulsi. So, I will just, harvest for them. So, uuwian ko. So, okay, I'll get for Karen and Tutsi. Ilang kilo ang gusto ni Karen? 5 kilos for Karen and 5 kilos for Tutsi Roll. So guys, mag-harvest kami buong afternoon. So halika na, Joy, Lot, Inday, can you help us pick? And Joanne, mag-uwi ka for you, ha? Okay, mag-pick tayo. Ang sarap, okay? Ha? Hindi na, kailangan ka mag-camera. Bumili ka doon sa souvenir o sa Changi or sa market.
Korea.
May Korean? Did you see? Oh my gosh. Guys, nag-try sila kanina. Sobrang Korean. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Imagine harvesting your own strawberry and you will eat your own. And you can have your cake and eat it too. Diba guys? She'll have no crumbs. Okay? Ano yan? Hindi ko na naintindihan what I'm saying. O, kuha ka na ng malaki. Wow, ang ganda. Lot. Marami ka nang napipick. Make sure malalaki nyo. Sayang if it's small. Inday, ano gusto mo gawin ko dito? Sobra kang nauuna. Let's go to the other side. Punta tayo sa ibang lane. Okay, let's go to the other alley.
Kasi natin, ma'am, dalawang
Oh my God! Wow! Ay, ang laki ng harvest ni Lotlo.
yung winter.
Okay. Oo. Oh, look. In comparison. Philip, sabi ni Philip, if it's big daw, mas mahal. Of course, it's the kilo. It's not. Oh my
Ma'am,
God.
kung kakayo dun, mas marami.
Oh, let's go there.
Yes,
Oh,
kuya.
tingnan mo kung gaano kalaki to, kung gaano ka red. Look at that. No, ito.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So, TJ, isang ang picture dito. I-airdrop. Marami na. Ito, ang dami. Grabe. Babe, ang lalaki. Look, it's so big. Here. Joanne, it's big here. Look. Sila Karen daw likes. Okay. O, si Phil, nag-help sa akin. O, Phil, where?
Here.
Okay. Can we have another basket? So guys, what will I do? We're getting like 5 baskets. So mag-shake ako sa house and I'll do my a strawberry jam and I'm so busy in my shake, smoothie. And guys, in-mix ko sa whey protein ni Team. And of course guys, lalapangin ko ng fresh ng iba. A basket si Phil masyadong busy. Sorry sa mga yung mag-harvest later, wala nang red. Okay, kasi iti-take home na namin everything. Alam mo, there are na malaki, it's bigger, but it's not red. But ito, okay ba i-harvest? But too small. Wow, ang galing ni Inday. Akin na yan. So, dear Karen, alam ko naman, one of my best friends kita. Close tayo, pero you know what? Isang basket, 780. But since ako naman ang nag-pick, 2,000 per basket na lang, okay? To roll, it remains 780 for you. I love you guys. Kay Dear Karen, 2,000, okay? Dear, kasi hindi mo kasi naman mag-strawberry baking, so wala akong kabanter. So, di ba? Wala nang talong story. So, okay, the talong sa farm, okay. So, guys, okay, we'll be like so fast na picking like mga 20 baskets kasi yung mga team, they want daw also to bring home.
Tita si Rocco daw. Na nasa Japan ngayon.
Rocco, you have no share. You're in Japan, Niseko. Please, okay? Wala ka na. Pasalubungan mo ako ng Niseko ice cream, okay? Okay, see you. Ay, si Phil masyadong busy sa pag-direct. Okay, director si Phil, buti na lang di mo binigyan ng mic. Masyadong non-stop. Kung sino-sino in-interview. Ay, nako, sobra na sa mud. Guys, look, it's so muddy here. Okay, buti na lang guys, naka-hunter boots. Nako, yung peanut. Fly.
5 kilos each dito.
Okay. So, Phil, okay, si Phil hindi makamove on.
On sa 5 kilos. Kasi 1 kilo lang to eh.
So, dapat 10.
Tayo pa.
O, kaya nga, we need 20 baskets.
Siguro, there's not enough big one.
Magsakay ka na lang, bibili tayo sa labas. Grabe, hirap na ako mag-explain. Mas mahal ang baking. Alika na, tama na. Guys, tama na, huwag na kayong mag-pick. Uwi na tayo. Mas mahal daw yung picking. So, mas mura doon outside, wala pang labor. So, okay. 1, 2, and then sa lalot.
Ito,
Thank you, another one. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
tamis.
Wow, super tamis. Sige, pati wiwi kainin mo.
Ma'am, ang tamis.
Talaga, kinakain mo na? Wow! Bawal, no? No, it's allowed. Feel allowed to eat and try. Wag lang 1 kilo yung kainin mo. So, it's allowed. So, guys, I'm done with my 4 baskets and ako lang, guys, gumawa nito. Walang nag-help sa akin. Okay, let's all go and may lunch tayo with Tita Dear and Tita Tootsie Roll. So, let's go. Mag-pay na. Okay, kayo meron na? So, nakabuo tayo ng 10. So, Dear, nakukuha na ako ng 4 baskets for you. So, kulang pa ng 1. So, I'll just buy 1 for you outside. So, let's go kasi magla-lunch na tayo and napagod na ako, guys. Pero, Dear, yung ibabay ko outside, 5K. Ang bill mo, ha? Okay? See you at lunch. Let's go. Guys, yan pa. Nakikilo pa sila. So, and guys, okay. We have to get pa outside. Alam mo, si Phil, wala daw siyang, alam mo, word na word si Phil, yung cash daw niya kulang. Alam mo, Phil, pag nag-out of town, kailangan, ang cash mo unlimited. Pag out of town. So, magkano? Joy, how much? So, Joy, how much?
Is 1,050 pesos, ma'am.
Ha?
8,050.
8,000. Okay. Yung 8,000, Phil. Oh, yeah. My gosh, Phil. Okay. So, guys, ang pera ni Phil is 5,000. Phil, wala ka ng money? Okay, good. Okay. Hindi na makakakain si Phil ng and you know, para siyang natutulala and para siyang nagpapawis, no? Pero ang weather is 9.
1,050 pesos.
Pero si Phil nagpapawis na. Okay, thank you, Ren.
ma'am.
Thank you, Joy. Okay. Thank you so much. What's the name of this?
The Caro Garden.
Mikero. Paano yung Charlie something there?
That's the name of Bayarito Strawberry. Sweet Charlie Bayarito.
So lahat kayo inside the Charlie.
Yes,
Yeah, Charlie, so nice here, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joy. So guys, oh my gosh, I feel so bad for Phil.
Pa-open the
Parang nung nag-pay siya, parang may konting tears. So, but now, Phil, papakain kita ng lunch. So, okay guys, let's go to the hotel. I have lunch with Tootsie and Karen dear. So, let's go! That's it for my strawberry picking. So, guys, see you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po.
I feel so laos. Oh guys, I feel so laos with Lottie. It's nakakalaos. Finally, we arrived at the barn and sila dear wala pa coming from the hotel. So, nakatulog ako 1 hour away from Trinidad. But I'm so hungry and I'm so excited what's in there. So, okay, let's go and wait. We'll just wait for Tootsie Roll and deer. So, let's go. Phil, let's go. Sino nandyan? Okay, who's there? Tootsie Roll! Oh my gosh! Oh my God, so beautiful! Oh my gosh! We'll have lunch na. And where's Javier? You missed the strawberry. So nice there. Oh my God, nakaboots pa ako. Puro pa. Oh my God, oy. Dear, you know, I bought for you 5 boxes of strawberries.
Okay.
Siyempre, nag-strawberry picking ako. Nag-enjoy ako.
Tunay ka ba nag-strawberry picking, ha?
Oh my God.
Career to the max.
Career, dear. At mahabang kwento later.
Okay.
Okay. And, dear.
Ganda naman.
And-
So, ang tanong ko, what can I say? Hollywood in Baguio.
Yeah, dear, okay, nangingibabaw kaya pinagkaguluhan. But yun na,
Pagkakaguluhan ka.
So, dear, you know what? Okay, I'm so excited to check in sa hotel. And you know what? I got for you 5 boxes of strawberry and 5 for Tootsie Roll. Ang pag-pick up is 780 per kilo.
Oh my God. So, maninigil ka.
Sa'yo, dahil may labor, 2,000 per box. So, okay, mas mahal kay Tootsie Roll, 780 kasi nakakaya mabait siya. Pero mabait siya. Maraming chikahan. Oh my God, I'm so excited!
Wow, ang lamig. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Guys, look at the view of this. Magandang, super nice.
Our order, tomahawk, our main course. So I'll try to slice it, huh? So dear Karen, how? So guys, I really know how to cut steak because this is my food every once a year. So okay guys, oh my God, it's so tender and juicy.
Anong animal ng steak?
Cow.
Very good.
So good. See how talino?
Anong part ng tomahawk?
Tomahawk, limbs.
Di ko na nalaman.
Dear, okay, kaya kaibigan ko si Karen, matalino kaming dalawa. Okay, so continue na. Kasi baka mamali yung slice ka. Hindi nila ma-enjoy ang tomahawk. Si Lot, anong tawag mo dito? Tumawak. Because you were in Morton's, pwede mo mag-order ng tumawak? So, okay. So, sabi ko, it's tomahawk, Lot.
Pa-slice ko na lang.
Pa-slice natin. Ako, sige. Hindi chef pa. So, okay, we're waiting for chef to come out. We're with chef in the barn, and you know, we're just 2 of us here in the home restaurant. So, guys, I will just eat this alone. So, guys, okay. Chef, gaano ka nakatagal dito while nagsislice ka? Kunwari busy ka.
Since pag-establish tong Kwanda Bar.
Wow, you know, chef, everything is so delicious, my God. Saan ka culinary?
Ay, wala po ba? Parang experience lang po talaga.
Wow!
Tapos yung tulong na rin po ng owner, kasi yung mga yung owner, sila yung para bang expose sila sa mga ibang cuisine.
Pero hindi naman foreigner yung
Ay, hindi
owner.
naman po. Pero may igil sila palang mag-travel.
May remote travel. So, how long na itong the barn?
2019 po nag-start. Pero nag-operate po 2020.
Pero si Karen Davila, ilang beses na kumain dito?
Ay, hindi po yata pwede.
Ay, napanood ko kasi sa mga... No, napanood ko. Si Karen nag-interview sa may puhunan. Ang sarap kaya ako nandito kasi gusto ko kumain mag-isa dito sa The Barn. Kasi napanood umakyat ng kasi na-watch ko sa may puhunan.
Kailangan mo makadakagdan muna bago maubos tong
Oo. Sobra, ang dami new stairs bago nakarating. Paano na yan pagka mga 75 years old na ako? Paano kung kakain sa The Barn? Puro stairs.
Ay, pag may mga senior naman po. Kaya, kasi yung stairs namin, wala kami pang senior. Nasubukan na namin, binubuhat ko.
Pero ang sarap ng food dito. And ang ganda ng view. Pakita mo nga lot yung view. Doon ka sa may right kasi mag-swimming pool dito.
Walang left. Pero po kayo matatapos ito ma'am kasi may event po kasi yung mamaya.
Napanis na ako. Napanis na ako ni Chef. Teka, Chef, hindi mo naman ako kilala. May vlog ako.
Ang pinaba.
Ay, okay, si Chef ng The Barn. What's your name?
Christine po.
Christine. My
Pero
God.
pinaka-favorite kong vlog nyo is nung
Alin?
with your dad.
Ha.
Kasi promise, siya yung talaga.
Nakakatuwa, no?
Oh, kasi namilos ka pa para ng father ko.
Nung pandemic ba? Open kayo?
Eh, yes ma'am. Kaya may mga 1 year yata nag-close.
Yeah, ayaw magpapasok ni Mayor Magalong that time.
Kasi ginagawa namin yung museum. Kaya,
Ay, yung museum.
opo.
Saan meron?
Ay, papasyal ko namin kayo.
May museum kayo dito?
Opo. Para
Oh, okay. Toy museum. So, Chef, kasi gusto ko nang kumain, baka lumamig yung So, isa-serve niyo sa akin lahat yan, ha? So, let's go! Okay, kami lang dala ni Chef. Alika dito. Kasi guys, serve na natin. Guys, paano kung mauubos yan? I'm alone.
Gusto nyo mo sa may view tayo kumain na?
Ay, sa Diyos! Napakita natin si... Ako naman na yung steak. Okay.
Hindi pa na.
Wow! Look at the view here, guys! Oh my gosh! It's like we're in LA. Parang Hollywood. Kanina may Bollywood. Wow!
Para makita ko yung
Sige,
steak
okay.
nyo. Yung view na steak.
Kuhanan mo kang picture. So guys, look at my dessert. And you know, I'm just alone. How will I finish this? Oh my gosh, guys, ang ganda ng dessert ko. Thank you, The Barn, for thinking of me alone. Okay, may fondue. Paano yun?
Wala pa
Teka, kuhanan mo akong picture.
A picture.
So guys, okay, I have this kasi I have to do this. Tusok-tusok fondue. So okay, apple and then strawberry. So guys, ito, I think it will reach me until 9 o'clock p.m. Kasi guys, oh my God, I will eat this alone. Oh my gosh. So okay, let's try. May fire ba? It's cold.
Malamig.
Guys, ang sarap. It's so good. Dear, gusto mo? So, okay, we're done with lunch and okay, we'll go to the museum of the owner. They have the collections of toys now and it's nice. And hello, Tootsie dear! Okay, I'm so happy. We had a great lunch and very good food here at the barn. So, okay, look how beautiful this restaurant is. And now we're walking to the museum. Time for siesta, nag-chill-chill lang ako. Oh my gosh, teka, hindi ba ito babagsak? Hindi na. So, okay, before going to the after this, oh my gosh. Okay, time for siesta. Oh my gosh, hindi siya nakaka-relax. So, okay, so nice. Okay, they already walked to the museum, so okay, we'll follow.
Guys, si Ma'am nagayaya na. Ayun si Ma'am. Hi, Ma'am! Ma'am!
So, okay, lot na been waiting for you. Masyado kang
Ini.
photo-photo. Ayan, si
Iniikot ko po.
this is the secret base. It's like the museum of the barn. So let's go. Oh my God, look, may train, Later, get the photo of Apo. So this is like the collection of the owner, toy museum. Like, look,
May train guys, oh. Ginaya niya yung parang Switzerland. Parang train ng Switzerland. O kaya Japan.
Now we're here at the toy museum. It's secret base. So ayan, you can see the trains, mga old toys. So, Chef, ano to? Ano tong mga to?
Welcome sa museum namin.
Okay.
Ito yung pinaghirapan namin noong pandemic.
Wow, ano pandemic?
Yes po, kami nagpubo.
Binuo nyo to? Kasi everyday.
Nung pandemic, umabot ako 6 months.
May Catwoman, they have Batgirl. Oh, 6 months yung ginawa.
No, pero ang collection ko ni Oh my gosh, ito.
Oh, it's in the collection of the owner.
Kasi ito ang Deadpool sa mga X-Men yata.
Yes, yeah. Okay, of course, that's Batman.
Tapos meron kaming Predator.
Oh, ayan, mga Predators.
Kasi tatlong message lang kasi
that?
natin. Ito kasi ang balak talaga namin. This is the City Amusement in the Harry Potter.
Oh, may Harry Potter. Okay. So they did this during the pandemic. And what's that? Oh my God, look. Oh.
Ito pa yung amusement namin. Parang yung
Wow!
amusement pa.
Okay.
Game of Thrones po. Game of Thrones.
Game of
Game of
Thrones.
Thrones, tama.
Yes! Oh my
Game of
God.
Thrones, tama.
I forgot. Yeah, Game of Thrones. Naku, pati si Chef ito forgot na niya.
Kasi ito naman si Harry Potter namin.
Ah, ito yung Harry Potter. Wow, grabe. Collection. Ilan po to? Opo. How do you even put this together? How can you even put this all together? My God. It's like hundreds of thousands pieces of Lego.
Hundreds of
Ako, maloloka ko. How can you even put
Madali lang yung kasi per box yan.
per box?
Ang problema kasi
Yung
landscape.
How do you ano? Oh, okay, that's the toy museum of the owner. So, okay, let's go down. This one is the Land of the Dead. Saan simula? There's a mini barn. So, if there are mga events, you can order.
Ay, ang pa po, drinks lang po ang nakakita si Madam Dear.
Pero now, we can order?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. So, you can order drinks here. Look, ang daming menu. Look at the view, love. Oh, it's beautiful, nice, and amazing. Babe, yung favorite ni Joel Mazingrizi. Oh my gosh, Mazingrizi, imagine. Oh, that's so old na.
Ferns lang.
First, wow, it's so nice. I love
Nilig tuhod ko, ma'am.
Bakit? Bakit ang ninig? Oh,
Isa sobrang ano.
oh, sige, don't look, ha?
Hawakan na lang kita.
Hawakan ka ni Chef.
Hindi, okay lang. Basta wag lang akong tingin sa lababa.
Wow! My God, it's lovely there.
Okay, Diyos ko.
Ganda ng view here. So, okay, that's it for the barn. And, okay, we're going back. I'm going to the hotel na. And I can't wait to get to my room. I'm so tired already. It was an early day. It's a long day. And later, we'll have dinner and we'll go around pa. And tomorrow, we'll go back home. Oh my gosh, look how high it is. Look how high, my gosh. So finally, after a long day, I'm so tired, I slept in the car. And finally, we're here at Baguio Country Club. So nandyan na si Tootsie Roll and si Dear Karen and waiting for us. Okay, let's go. And I can't wait to get some rest. Guys, guess who's coming up? Somebody's coming up. Yeah, I can hear the voice coming up to my room. Hello! See, I told you. It's
Kasama po siya. Sa Baguio.
May kasama ako guys sa Baguio.
Nag-iisa.
I'm not a loner. I'm not depressed. Somebody loves me. I have a friend. I have friends. I have family. Dear, my gosh. Ang bango ng room. My gosh, this is so nice. So, okay, we're having Japanese dinner for tonight. I am alone by myself. Whoa! Oh my God. Wow!
Naka-print. Yeah.
Ma'am, dinasaran ko pa ng Latin. Gearbox. 1, 2, 3. Suspense.
Oh my
Galing. Galing ah.
Oh my gosh, grabe!
Okay, ulit.
So guys, we're just done with Japanese dinner for tonight. So of course, we ate in Hamada. So we had dinner at Hamada and okay, good Japanese resto. Hi! It's so cold, I have to go up. I don't want to go out na. And so the Lot and the Angels are there in The Glam Team, they're in where? In Session Road and nag-iikot sa Ukay-Ukay. So guys, we're going out na and we'll go to sleep. So okay, good night.
So, okay. Si tita mo, lasing. So, magkakasama kami. Hello!
Hi! Hanggang hindi ka kita.
Ayan. Lahat anong ginagawa ng amo mo?
Siyempre, nagre-rest siya with drinking wine. Tapos sabi niya, lot-lot, magpasyal na lang kayo doon. Punta ka na lang kay TJ, kain kayo. Sabi, na-meet mo yung card. Ko, di ba mag-market tayo? At tingnan natin, sabi niya. Okay,
So, ngayon, tapos na kaming kumain. Nag-Jollibee kami.
tayo na lang mag-night market.
So, ngayon, gusto nila mag-night market. So, pupunta kami sa night market. Tapos, ano sinasabi mo?
Wala ka? Walang budget. Pili ko ka?
Kapauntak daw.
Walang budget this. Pautang daw sila.
Oh, sino ang pinakamayaman sa table na to?
Si Kuya TJ!
Hindi ako, sino? No.
TJ!
Credit card din ako eh. Pwede ba yun? Anyway, see you guys. Oh, magbabay na. See you sa
Night market!
Bye! Ano masasabi mo?
Mura guys, may tag 50, may 120, may tag 5 piso.
Peace.
5 piso, yung babit pang bata. Depende sa klase guys. Ma'am, nandito po kami sa night market. Ayan o, ma'am. Ma'am, di mo ito po kaya po pag ito karami po yung tao. Yung hangin na spaghetti, tapos magsandal sabi, walk ka doon. Fashion. O, diba? Oh. Saan pa diyan? Only 100. Kaya 180. O, diba? Galing.
Kasha!
Kasya to. Galing ko ako.
Huwag mo na isukat. Sure naman yan na kasha sa'yo.
Ah, grabe bro. Kasi sa ball, ganun.
Oo.
Kasya siya. Ay,
Ano mo sa leg mo para malaman mo kung kasha. Ayan.
Okay. Perfect. Kasi guys, patch. Maitim na damit na spaghetti. Then masinas po, rampa-rampa ka dun sa...
Sa antigay mo lang mauwi yan.
Oh, okay, I got this.
Shorts from...
Only 100.
Bumili ka ng dalawa para 180. Oh. Binenta.
Guys, 280 dalawa. Tama na.
Benta.
Ay, sige po.
Tita, lumalaban. Gusto ng maiksing palda. Kailangan susutin mo yung sarap ni tita, ha?
Hindi naman, sa ano lang, sa personal na
Sa probinsya.
probinsya. Pang probinsya lang po, ma'am, di pang Manila. Aba!
Alam, ang bilis wala ng sukat-sukat, ha? Nakapili na ilan yan. Parang mana kayo sa amo nyo, ha?
Pwede utang, bukas ko na lang bayaran. Dating ko.
Sige. Go. Kasi nakapagtawad, hindi.
Natawad ako.
Magkano?
Hindi ko bag. Oh, diba? Dapat naman 300 na lang eh. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Sige po.
Nilalaos mo na naman si tita. Mga nagpapapicture sa'yo.
Ma'am, regalawan kita ng, ng pajama mo. Super, ang brands, ang super, ma'am. Alam ko yung paborito mo kasi yung mga Chanel, Hermes, Gucci.
Ah.
Kaya regalawan din kita na paborito mo. Dior.
Ano daw yun?
Ano po ito? 180. 180K, 1,000, ma'am. Dior. Yan, maganda din, no? O sige, bilhin ko na to 180. Walang tawad. 150.
Hindi ka kasing galing ng amo mo.
Sige na po.
Tawaran mo. Pag marami kasi bibili mo, hindi isa lang.
Sir, pag maraming bilhin ko, patawaran.
Tatawad.
Ha? Naka-open mo lang? Hindi ako maniwala, sir. Naka-open mo lang. Matagal na siguro dito nagpa-park.
Ano nang ginagawa mo?
Isa pa.
Ang isa pa, bakit?
Para maging 300.
Dahil?
Tag 50 pesos. Kung isa bilhin mo 60. Pero pag dalawa, 100. Siyempre, dito tayo sa dalawa para 100.
Para kanina yan?
Kay Inday, tsaka sa akin.
Ay, akala ko bibila mo si Francis.
Ito, Francis, isa. Ito kay Francis. Ito, yan. Tsaka ito kay Francis, isa pa. Sige, Francis, lagi mong suotin to. Pag magsabi sa'yo na gano'n, sabi mo, basahin mo yung likod ko. It's a handsome day. See? It's a handsome day. Kung ako, ibigay ko suot to.
Go na.
Isa pa.
Marami ka bang nabili?
Ma'am, nakaubos ako ng 2K. Ikaw daw.
940, may sobra pa 16.
Nagay mo. Nagbili kami ng mga pasulubong. Si Inday,
Mabili pa nito. 16.
Pati pa kami may tag sa 10 eh. Kitchen.
Tita, inutang niya sa akin yun. Inutang niya sa akin yun, bayaran mo ako.
Inakundan po kasi allowance niya.
Bukas na bayaran pa kami isa. 60, bili doon ng pagkain ha.
Oo nga eh.
Ano?
Quick.
Yung 60 mo, pamibili mong kwek-kwek.
Hello.
Oh, go! Sige! Ano yan, Tay? Day, ano yan?
Balot na may chili garlic.
Magkano yan?
40.
So may 20 ka pa?
20 pa.
Ito na guys yung day of the night namin. Nag-shopping kami. Hindi ko po alam kung mabalik po kami dito kay Ma'am bukas. Abangan na lang po. Kasi dapat kasama po siya dito ngayon. Kaso nakikita po namin parang hindi ata kaya. Yan. Thank you guys and thank you for always watching Mom's Vlog. Night Market. Bye!
Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!